Are you ready to find out everything there is to know about the top 5 smart light switches? Well, you've come to the right place. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Introducing the Lutron Casseter Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit, the ultimate solution for smart lighting control. This kit includes 2 white Casseter Smart Dimmer switches, 2 Pico wireless remotes, 2 wall plates, and 1 Lutron Casseter Smart Hub. With this kit, you can easily set up and control your lights in a variety of ways. With the Casseter Smart Hub, you can connect and control your lights using Alexa, Apple Home, the Google Assistant, Serena Shades, and Sonos. It's the most connected smart lighting control brand available. Plus, with the free Lutron app, you can create schedules to change lights at set times or activate scenes with just one touch of a button. But what sets the Casseter Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit apart is its reliability. Unlike other smart lighting systems that rely on Wi-Fi, the Casseter Smart Hub uses a dedicated wireless technology for super-fast and ultra-reliable performance. You won't experience any slowdowns in your Wi-Fi network when using this kit. Another great feature is the Smart Away feature, which can automatically adjust your lights with changing seasons or simulate occupancy when you're away by randomly turning your lights on and off. It gives you peace of mind knowing that your home is well lit and secure even when you're not there. And don't worry about losing your smart light functionality when the Wi-Fi goes down. The Casseter Smart Hub ensures that your schedules and scenes remain intact and reconnects everything seamlessly when the Wi-Fi comes back online. It's a set it and forget it solution. With one Casseter Smart Switch, you can control multiple bulbs at once, making all your bulbs smart. Whether you have dimmable LED, incandescent, or halogen bulbs, the Casseter Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit provides reliable and convenient control. Get more smart functionality while spending less with the Lutron Casseter Deluxe Smart Dimmer Switch Kit. Introducing the Lutron Casseter Smart Lighting Dimmer Switch and Remote Kit, a game-changer for controlling your home lighting. This kit includes a Casseter dimmer switch with wall plate and a white Pico remote control, giving you multiple ways to control your lights. With the Casseter Smart Hub, BDG2, WH, required, you can set your lights to automatically adjust with the seasons, ensuring your family always comes back to a well-lit home. Plus, enable the Smart Away feature to randomly turn your lights on and off, giving the illusion that you're home even when you're away. The Lutron Casseter Smart Lighting Dimmer Switch is the most connected smart lighting control brand on the market. It works seamlessly with leading smart home devices including Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, the Google Assistant, Ring, Serena Shades, and Sonos. You can control your lights via the free Lutron app, with your voice, or directly from the wall. Create schedules in the app or activate scenes with a simple button press. One of the key advantages of this smart switch is its compatibility with various types of bulbs. You can control multiple styles of dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs simultaneously with just one Casseter Smart Switch. Even your existing bulbs can become smart bulbs with this kit. Best of all, unlike other smart dimmer switches, the Lutron Casseter works in any home of any age as it does not require a neutral wire. Not only can you control your lights from inside your home, but you can also do so from anywhere in your house thanks to the wireless Pico remote included in this kit. With just a touch of a button on the remote, you can easily turn your lights on, off or dim and brighten them. Don't settle for ordinary lighting control. Upgrade to the Lutron Casseter Smart Lighting Dimmer Switch and Remote Kit and experience the convenience, versatility, and peace of mind it brings to your home lighting system. Looking for a convenient way to automate your home appliances? Look no further than the SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. This Bluetooth-enabled smart fingerbot is designed to work with a wide range of rocker and one-way switch buttons, allowing you to easily control various household appliances like light switches, TVs, and coffee machines. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach the SwitchBot to your desired switch/button using the included 3M sticker. No swapping or tools required. With the easy-to-use app, you can operate the SwitchBot within Bluetooth range and set up timers for automatic on/off functionality. You can even schedule timers to run without your phone or the need for a hub, giving you hands-free convenience. For even more control and versatility, pair the SwitchBot with the SwitchBot Hub. This hub enables remote control of your SwitchBot Fingerbot from anywhere using your smartphone. It also allows for voice control through popular smart home assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and IFT. The SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher is part of the SwitchBot ecosystem, making it compatible with other SwitchBot products. Create custom automation scenes via the app and enjoy seamless integration with other devices in your home. With its universal compatibility, easy installation, and advanced features, the SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher is a must-have for any smart home enthusiast. Say goodbye to manual switches and hello to effortless automation with the SwitchBot Smart Switch Button Pusher. Introducing the Caser Smart Dimmer Switch, a must-have device for anyone looking to elevate their home lighting experience. With its easy guided install, you don't need to be an expert in switch wiring to set it up. The Caser app will walk you through step by step, making installation a breeze. Plus, it's compatible with standard wall plate sizes and only requires a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. But the Caser Smart Dimmer Switch doesn't stop there. It offers 0% to 100% dimming capability, allowing you to adjust the brightness of your lights with just a few clicks. Whether you want a gentle fade-off effect for bedtime or a soft glow in the morning, you can easily set light schedules using the Caser app. And with voice control integration through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can conveniently control your lights hands-free. No more fumbling for switches or reaching for your phone, simply use your voice commands to turn your lights on or off. Even when you're away from home, you can still monitor and control your light status using the Caser app on your smartphone. So whether you're at work or on vacation, you can always ensure your lights are just the way you want them. The best part: the Caser Smart Dimmer Switch works seamlessly with a secured 2.4 GHz wireless network, no separate hub required. It's designed to effortlessly blend into any home decor while providing enhanced convenience and control over your lighting. Upgrade your home lighting with the Caser Smart Dimmer Switch today and experience a new level of smart living. If you're looking to upgrade your home lighting system, the ThinkBee Smart Light Switch is a top contender. This innovative switch is not only compatible with popular voice assistant platforms like Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFT, but it also offers convenient remote control capabilities via the free Smart Life or Chiar Smart app. Whether you're at home or away, you can easily control your lights from your phone, create schedules, and even monitor real-time status. One of the standout features of this smart switch is its impressive signal range. With an effective distance of up to 328 feet indoors and a staggering 1,968 feet outdoors, you can comfortably control your lights from anywhere in your home. It's perfect for controlling various types of lighting, including bulbs, halogen lamps, fluorescent lamps, CFLs, LED lights, fans, and more. Safety is a top priority with the ThinkBee Smart Light Switch. It is CE/RoHS/FCC certified and made of flame-resistant PC material with a fireproof level of V0. This ensures durability and peace of mind for worry-free use. Additionally, the switch is IP66 waterproof, offering protection against water damage. Installation is a breeze with this smart switch. No wiring is needed thanks to its quick create or relocate feature. This not only saves you labor and material costs but also makes it environmentally friendly. The Super Mini receiver easily fits in most electrical boxes at just 2*0.9*1.1 in. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, the ThinkBee Smart Light Switch is an excellent choice for upgrading your home lighting system. Enjoy the convenience of voice and app control, save energy with timer and scheduling options, and benefit from its strong signal range for effortless lighting control throughout your home. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the top 5 smart light switches. We hope it was helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.